Hey guys, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we have another protective style. Actually, I don't know if we call this protective style because we are using heat, but it's a style nonetheless. I'm going to be showing you how to go from these braids with a little bit of leave out to this gorgeous, effortless, very cute style, if I do say so myself. So you already know we got to shout out UNice Hair. They always come through, always providing us with great quality hair for the girls. Also, they really upped their packaging. Like, this box, cute. So you already know they give you the wig caps, a wig band, some nails. They gave me some lashes, but I left them upstairs. And here is today's hair choice. What we have here is, it's either Yaki straight or kinky straight. I believe it's Yaki straight. Oh, this real straight. We're gonna have to really straighten his hair. Yay! But maybe we can get away with it. We have a Yaki straight V-part wig. Here's the V-parting right here. We're gonna cut this piece off, and then here are the details of this wig. We've got clips on the side, clips on the top, a clip in the back, an adjustable band, but we also have here more adjusting. And this is a Yaki straight texture. It's made to mimic like when natural hair gets straightened. It still has a little bit of texture to it, so it's not silky straight. It's not like Peruvian straight silky hair. It's got some texture to it. We're gonna try our best to make the textures match. I have the worst flat iron in the world. I still don't have my super good flat iron. It's still at my friend's house, but we're gonna make it do what it do. All right, so I'm gonna cut this off really quick. I'm literally using a toenail clipper because I can't find scissors right now. So when you cut off the little band right here, it opens up and it becomes the official V-part wig. So we're just gonna throw that on. Here is my braiding pattern. Oh, let me show you. So let me undo this hair here. My hair has been blow dried for, I don't know, like a week and a half, and it was straightened at one point, but if you saw the story, that was for 24 hours, not even. I just have some braids under here. I went ahead and left in some leave out in the front. It's not that much. And then of course we have our leave out on the top to cover the tracks. I'm gonna throw this on. Already, I haven't even like gone back through my hair with a flat iron, and I feel like I might not even have to. No, I have to. I feel like if I really didn't want to, I low-key wouldn't have to. Like, she already looks good. It's definitely giving middle part bust down. Talk to me nice. But if you come close, you see that I do need to flat iron my hair a little bit. One thing about it, my gray hair is going to snitch on me that I'm not 24. I'm gonna use my Amika heat protectant and spray it on my leave out. Now I'm not worried about this flat iron giving me heat damage because it's not a great flat iron, so it doesn't even get my hair as straight as I would like it to, so I'm not gonna worry about it. We're just gonna flatten that out just so that we can have some more uniformity between the V-part wig and my natural hair. There we are. Okay, so here's the hair in just a middle part bust down, as we'll call it. I'm gonna show you guys how long it is from the back. I'm wearing black, so I don't know if you can tell, but it goes down to right here. So it's pretty long. I'm 5'3", so just to give you some context of where it falls on me and where it might fall on you, but it's like pretty much at my tailbone. So I think this style works best if you do minimal leave out, because you don't want to get that like line of demarcation where they can tell where your actual hair ends. And also really quick, I want to show you guys the drawstring in the back so you can see how seamless the back looks in case you're trying to do some updos. That's not my testimony, but if you want that, go for it. So here's the bottom. The drawstring back here can get nice and tight. So it gets as tight as you need it to get to make sure that your hair is nice and secure in the back. Alright, so now let's have some fun with this hair, and I'm going to show you guys a few different hairstyles that you can do just to jazz it up a little bit. We love the middle part, but there's also other things you can do with a V-part wig, and I'm going to show you guys.
Oh, hello, Papa.
So sweet like a lemonade. Take time, we can give it a minute, mate. We can do something new, let me innovate. We can take it slow like we iterate. So sweet like a lemonade. Take time, we can give it a minute, mate. We can do something new, let me innovate. Take it slow like we iterate. Thought I could run away. Your smile made me wanna stay. Come with me, we can make a way. Give me time, let me demonstrate. Want you over, want you closer. Let me love you like I'm supposed to. Any struggle, make it over. Just remember what I told you. So sweet like a lemonade. Take time making you the Minute Maid. We can do something new, let me innovate. We can take it slow like we iterate. So sweet like a lemonade. We can do something new, let me innovate. Took time making you the Minute Maid. Take it slow like we in the rain. So sweet like a lemonade. Take time making you the Minute Maid. We can do something new, let me innovate. We can take it slow like we in the rain. So sweet like a lemonade. Took time making you the Minute Maid. We can do something new, let me innovate. Take it slow like we in the rain. Thought I could run away. Your smile made me wanna stay. Come with me, we can make a way. Give me time, let me demonstrate. Want you over, want you closer. Let me love you like I'm supposed to. Any struggle, make it over.
Alright, you guys, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you were inspired by some of these hairstyles. I'll leave all the information for you down below in the description box. If you have any questions, let me know. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.